Hey y'all, welcome back for another banger. Now, as you can see with the title, we're going to be talking about Nokia, which I talked about in a different video. But today, I'm going to be expanding on it. But wait a minute. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and turn your post notifications on so you're notified every single time I post a video, which is every single day. Bam! Now, okay, I've had Nokia since the summer because I thought that they were going to get this contract, which unfortunately they did not get it. Okay? But that doesn't mean it's over for them. Okay? Recently they got a contract to provide turnkey services for 5G expansion to Tawal. Now, obviously they were selected for this, and even though Nokia over time has lost its ability to be competitive in the ever-changing world of telecommunication and all of that, but I think that they do have the capacity to improve their infrastructure, especially for the 5G market. Like I talked about in a different video, they are going to the moon in 2022 to put up satellites and other 5G related things, but I think this 5G presents a really unique opportunity for Nokia, even leading up to 6G and all of that. Now, I already talked about their financials, but I don't mind going over them again. Okay, they have a market cap of 22 billion US dollars, which is a lot. They've been around the $2 to $5 range in 2020, although they're so volatile in the sense that it could be like €4 today or almost 5 and then back to almost 2. But it is worth noting that they just had a change of what do they call it? Their CEO has changed, like their leadership has changed. The person that used to be an exec for Ericsson is now their CEO. I think this is really good for them because if this person is good at their job, they will definitely help make it more competitive. Now, there is a lot of companies that are competing with Nokia, and Nokia just doesn't have the same infrastructures that other people have. Not to mention their very unimpressive revenue, or just their fundamentals are just not cutting it. Like, they're down 3% constantly, and even though management could change the revenue and like their forecasts, I do think it's going to be a little bit harder, especially during COVID-19. Hello. It's brought a lot of uncertainty things, but they have gotten a few contracts that I think will help transform them, considering they've been around for a really long time. Like, this is a company that has been here from the 1800s, and it's very important to invest in a company that is going to continue to innovate. I'm not sure if Nokia will continue to do that, but I do think this stock is a buy based off of the contracts that they have been getting, based off of the 5G and 6G going to the moon and all of that stuff. I think that if given a chance, we really can see them do better. Their stock has actually been trading pretty good lately. A lot of people have been buying into it, and this doesn't really mean anything. Like, it doesn't mean that they're good or that it's worth an investment, but I do think that if there's a possibility for the stock to go down a little bit, I think it would be nice to get a position in this company at a much lower price, considering they aren't offering much now. But I do definitely think that in the future, the next couple years, they will definitely be one of the leaders, of course, on one condition: that they really do keep innovating and doing what they should be doing, they're definitely a buy, but just continue to look out for them. Even though I do have this stock, I do try not to be biased in my analysis or whether I do tell you to buy it or not. On the other hand, this stock is very cheap. So if you do have the money and the risk level to just be like, kind of like, fuck it, I will invest in this company just to see, starting a smaller position. That's what I usually do. I start a small position and see how the stock performs in a couple months, and then I decide whether I do want to increase that position or just sell it altogether. No company has really given me that thing that I'm gonna just sell y'all, but I will definitely update y'all on what I think as time keeps going forward. But as of now, I think it's a buy and hold. But we shall see. Anyways, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, y'all. Psych.